Hi, I'm here at Amanda's house. I'm here to cook a quick and healthy lunch in under 5 minutes for her and her kids. But first, we gotta see what she has in her fridge. Whoa.
Oh, I want that thing.
Pasta, we can use some of that. We can use some grapes. Bought some little carrots. Ranch dressing. Oh, there's a lot of salad dressing. Did you like to invest in Wishbone or something? What is that? Should we use?
That's old Jello.
I don't think we're gonna use that. You guys are running low on salsa too. I think we should go to the store. Is that nail polish?
That's nail polish.
What's the expiration date on that? Okay, maybe we can use some of this tomato sauce too. Some fresh grape tomatoes. First, we're gonna do a little fruit and veggie platter for the kids. Yeah, how's that look? Wow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little spaghetti with tomato sauce for the kids.
Okay.
And in a different pan, I'm gonna make you some spaghetti puttanesca. So I'm gonna add some olives and lemon juice and some other stuff to that too. You know, people are busy and you got kids to watch and all that stuff. So I usually keep a little fresh pasta cooked in the fridge too, like you did. So that's gonna be yours right there. Make a little more for the kids. You like that?
Doesn't that look good? You love noodles.
We got some grape tomatoes here.
I don't think I ever would have thought to do that.
Okay, puttanesca sauce usually has some olives in there too. Okay, and while these are heating up, I'm gonna do some quick cheesy bread. I saw some bread over here. Come and see if there's a little garlic powder in here. Maybe shake a little garlic powder in there. I'm gonna throw that right in the broiler, dude. Okay, we're up on yours. I'm gonna top that off with a little feta cheese. Okay, Harrisons, you've been served.
This is amazing. I never would have thought to put this stuff in here. It's very good.